Welcome back to another El Yucateco recipe video, everybody. My name is Mike, and today we're going to take a baked potato soup recipe, and I'm going to show you how to kick it up with the king of flavor. Once again, welcome back, everybody. If you're not following us here yet, consider doing so by hitting that button down there. Now, as always, I'll have all the details for this recipe down in the video description. Now, let me show you how to put this recipe together. We're going to start with a soup pot on medium heat with some olive oil, butter, onions, and a little bit of chopped pre-cooked bacon for added flavor. Saute this down for just a few minutes so the onions can become translucent and begin to soften. Now we're going to add some flour to this and stir it well. As soon as you get that combined, go ahead and add the rest of the flour from this recipe. Continue to stir for just about a minute or so. Once the flour is dissolved and everything is combined, go ahead and add your potatoes, garlic, even more bacon, some shredded cheddar, chicken broth, heavy cream, milk, parsley, salt and pepper to taste. Now stir that up and combine it. And here's where we add the magic to this recipe, some El Yucateco Red. Once again, stir this well. Now go ahead and allow that to cook on medium heat and stir it frequently. We want to allow this to reduce and for those potatoes to soften. This will take about 30 minutes. Now once the potatoes are fork tender, we're going to add some sour cream, stir that well, and allow it to cook for about another 10 to 15 minutes, or until you reach your desired thickness. Then remove it from the heat and serve it up just like this. Cheers, everyone. I hope this isn't too hot. That is a perfect soup recipe, and the El Yucateco really shines in this. You get a little bit of kick on that back end and a ton of extra flavor. So that's it for today. Take care. I really appreciate your time. Remember to kick up all your recipes with the king of flavor. And I'll see you on the next video.